everyone! Last week in my live stream I mentioned that I had purchased a brand new laptop. My current laptop's 5 years old and I was struggling to edit video on there. It would freeze up all the time and there was no playing the 360 footage I had on my laptop, so I was using my phone to export little clips of it, but I really couldn't do what I want to be able to do with my video making with my old laptop, so it was time for an upgrade. This has just arrived in the mail from JB Hi-Fi. I ordered it online last week as a part of a sale, and I've noticed the little tab, the security tab, which says check contents if seal is broken, is in fact broken. And so, I've been looking at laptops for 3 months. I finally dove in, make a purchase, and it arrives with the security seal broken. I'm going to show you up close. So there we go, looking a bit wonky up top. And then there it is. And just completely ripped through with the whole void thing. So, it says check contents if seal is broken. There is another one on the base, which is intact, but the top one's broken. So I'm now unsure whether I should make a phone call to JB Hi-Fi again. I called them yesterday because I hadn't actually got a delivery confirmation, like a shipment, it's been packed, it's on its way, anything like that, and I ordered this a full week ago. So I called them to see where is it coming, and they told me it was in Tweed Heads in New South Wales, and it had been packed and was ready to send. I'm sorry, my cat is pawing at the sliding door to say I would like to go out, and she's incessant with doing that. So I called them and they said it was in Tweed Heads, New South Wales, it was packed, it was ready to be sent, and they were going to refund me the postage cost because it was going to arrive by today, which was the estimated delivery date. I'm going to go get the cat. This is she. She is being annoying. Come on. So I've already spoken to them, and then I got a message saying that it was going to be delivered today. And it said it had been lodged in Melbourne and was at the Adelaide facility. It was going to come today. So I don't know where this guy got his information from, and I don't really expect to be refunded that delivery cost because it's arrived. So maybe he looked into it some more and found that it was going to arrive today and just didn't let me know. Anyway, so I was already on the phone to them yesterday. I don't really want to make another call today, but this is a big ticket item. I don't want to risk my being able to get the product that I've ordered completely in its brand new state by opening it. But the seal says check contents if seal broken. I'm gonna open it. Surely if there's anything missing, I have this video on record to show that it isn't here. I just hope everything's here because I really want this laptop and to be able to start working on videos. Right, so let's open it, see if everything's here. Be very careful because this may have to be returned. Okay, this pouch is open on the end, so it could have been accessed. All the screws are there. There's a bit of dust here, but everything else looks fine and brand new. What's in here? And the other cable. Man, that is a brick. Guess it needs quite a bit of power. Hopefully this works. This is my old laptop, or current laptop, which is an Acer E5-571G. Specs wise, this is heaps better, so this should have some processing power to it. So now I face the task of transferring everything from this onto this, which is going to take a while, so It's not like I am feeling massive excitement at the moment because it's going to take a bit before I can actually use this. Hopefully it turns on. I'll probably just check that it does turn on before I go. It's turning on. So looks like maybe it was just an accident that the seal was broken and no one attempted to steal anything or alter anything, hopefully. So I guess just quickly some specs on this. It has a Intel Core i7 processor, a 8750H. Then it has 16 gigabytes of
Hi
RAM.
there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Excuse me,
Use
I
your
was
voice or the
talking!
keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen to turn.
So, yes, 16 gigabyte of RAM. It has a 1060 graphics card, which has 6 gigabytes, 6 gigabyte card. I think they're the main things, aren't they? The processor, the graphics card, and the RAM. It has a 1 terabyte hard drive with a 128 gigabyte SSD. I know the SSD isn't huge, but the price was what really drew me in because I've been researching this for months, and anything with similar specs was at least $300 dearer than this one. And this one is regularly about the 2,180 mark, and on sale it came down to 1,588 and then $10 postage. So I got it for just under $1,600. Even on sale, the next, like the one with very similar specs was $18.99. So that was huge. I mean, $600 is basically what I've saved from regular price by buying it at that point. So like, I know I would like to buy a new amplifier and plenty of other little things that I'd like to buy to upgrade, but this laptop being 5 years old, doing so much video editing now, it's just been driving me up the wall. Unfortunately, technology does get superseded, and when you are using something so often, you want it to be easy and powerful to process things. When I bought this, I wasn't making videos, not the way that I'm making them now, and I needed to put a bit of money in to get something that could be a workhorse and really be able to do all I need it to do. And like, my amplifier is still going okay. Like, sure, it's not the best sound, sure it could be louder, but it's not having as many issues as it was before, so this was the priority at the moment. And you know, we work to live, to be able to afford the things that we want to buy, and I really want to be able to edit all this 360 footage. So hopefully this is the answer. So now I'm going to spend hours, maybe even days, setting this up. Thanks for joining me for this video and being, you know, here to witness that I didn't break the seal. It was like that when it arrived, and yeah, just hopefully everything is as it should be, because I'm really excited to start working with this. I can make awesome new videos for you, so better get into it. I just thought I'd quickly show you the difference in the Insta360 Studio on my old laptop versus the new one. Just playing a clip. They're different clips because they're stored on hard drives, but it's the same settings that they were filmed in. So here we go. I will press play on both of them. Go. But yes, so this video is fostering kittens has been a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I've had these kittens now. Here is Piper. She's not all that fussed about being picked up, but here she is. Hello. Okay, back down we go. Back down, beautiful. Okay. So just before I tried using this and there wasn't any stopping starting. That had a bit more stopping starting than just before when I used it, but it might be because I'm about to install OBS and that wasn't open before. So yeah, but still like humongously faster than this one. This one you can't do anything with, but that I'll be able to work with that. And as I said just before, it was doing that without any stuttering. That's it, stuttering. So I don't know, maybe it's getting a bit, is it getting hot? No, it's that part's a little bit warm, I guess. It could be that it's been on for a little bit now, I don't know. But it's not bad. I will see you again with another video soon. Like, subscribe if you're new and you're interested in seeing more videos like this one, or like about music stuff, about my life. See you later.